So how do I make $150 per day by promoting this simple software that shortens the link? Stay tuned because I'm gonna show you step by step in this video. Hey, what's up everyone? Muneeb Mohammed here and welcome to yet another video on my channel where we discuss about making money online. And if this is your first time on this channel, then smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification because on this channel, I'll be showing you the real strategies that actually work with no BS. I know there is a lot of noise out there on internet and a lot of people are just preaching nonsense which doesn't work in real world. So people get confused, especially if you're a beginner. Things can get real confusing. I understand. See, the problem in today's world and age is there is a tons of information on internet about almost everything. So we are not lacking any information. What we are struggling with is the guidance, which is why I'm giving away a free training on affiliate marketing where I dive deeper into all the strategies step by step in much more detail. So if you have not registered your seat, then go ahead and do that. I'll leave the link down in the description box. Anyway, coming to the topic, in this video, I'll show you how you can partner with this software company that shortens the link to get recurring commissions. And as a beginner, this should be your number one priority, getting recurring income. It is simply because you don't want to start from scratch every single month. So the number one thing that you want to do is you have to become an affiliate. All right. So all right. For those of you who doesn't know about affiliate marketing, it just means you can partner up with any company to promote their products or services to get commission. And almost all the major brands have what we call an affiliate program. And this is super important because affiliate marketing is one of the easiest business model to start. Now, why do I say that? Because starting a business has too many moving parts. Like if you have your own business, then you need to have a product, right? You need to create your own product or service to sell, right? And then you need to hire people to do the customer support, right? This is very important. This is a requirement, right? And if you are selling a physical product, then you need to deal with shipping and handling, right? Shipping and handling. Then comes the aspect of the technical, right? To build a website or whatever, right? So you have to deal with that. You have to build a technical team, or if you want to do it yourself, you have to learn all those things. Then comes sales and marketing. So if you're just starting out as a beginner, things can get very difficult for you. But as an affiliate marketer, you just focus on marketing. Let them deal with customer support, shipping and handling, and all those complicated things. You simply just promote the product, and when anyone buys it, you get 50 to 75% commission. How cool is that? And the next thing that you want to do is you want to find a good product that pays recurring commissions, right? Good product with recurring commissions. Now, the reason you want to do is because very simple. Recurring commission means monthly rebills. If you can find something that has monthly rebills, this will allows you to compound your money, make more money every single month. You can start off this month. Let's say you started doing this right now. In the next 60 days, you should be getting rebills, which is compounding, making you more and more money every single month. That way, you're not starting from zero every single month. That is crazy, right? You want to be growing every single month, and you can do that by recurring commissions. Now, what I like to do is I like to promote softwares, right? Software, and in this particular case I'm promoting buildredirects.com. Excuse my spelling mistake, which is build redirects, right? You might have heard something about bitly.com. It works exactly the same way like Bitly, but the problem with Bitly is it doesn't work really good. So now take this as a rule of thumb, right? You want to only promote things which are of very high quality. You don't want to promote random low quality things, because if you do that, your business is doomed. Business is all about building trust, building relationship. So if you don't use anything that you don't trust, if you don't use it for yourself, then simple, don't promote to your audience, because your audience trusts you. That's why they want to buy it from you, right? So a lot of people who knows about this promote buildredirects.com instead of Bitly, and I does that too, but I don't promote any product like most of the affiliate marketers. This is what the masses are doing. And if you go on internet, this is what the majority of the so-called gurus will teach you, right? They will ask you to find someone, a potential buyer who is looking for a particular result, right? So what they do is they send these people, right, to a sales page. Then on the sales page, from the sales page, they will forward them to buy this product, which in this case is a bill redirect, right? Bill redirect. The problem with this is you're doing a transactional business. You're not building your own brand, your own business. You're just working as a salesperson to build someone else's business. What I like to do instead is I follow Bill Gates' strategy. Bill Gates said, I don't want to sell the box, meaning computers. I want to sell the intelligence that runs the box, right? So what we want to do here is we want to find people, right, just like that, who are looking for a particular result, right? So they are in the market looking for link shortener software. So what we want to do here is instead of selling them to a sales page, what I like to do is I will send them to an ecosystem where I teach them, right, what is a link shortener, why they need a link shortener in their business, how it can help them, right, how they can use it. So once they know it, then I recommend them to buy this thing. This way they are more likely to stick with this because they simply understand how it works and why they need it. And the more longer they use the software, the more recurring commissions you get. You see what I'm saying? Type in "this is amazing" if you get an aha moment right now. This is how I build my business. This is how I became profitable after struggling for months by applying the same strategies. I'm able to successfully promote multiple affiliate products. And guess what? You can promote multiple products from a single sale by strategically combining low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket offers. And I'll show you all this in an on-demand webinar that you can attend right now. If you see right below this video in the description, you'll see a link to register and attend that webinar. And the good part is I'm giving away all the things that I personally use in the free training. When I started this business, I struggled a lot initially, and I have spent thousands of dollars to learn one thing and one thing only, which is to promote other people's products and services and make big money on the internet. And in this journey, I've made a lot of mistakes and I learned a lot. Now I don't want you to repeat the same mistakes all over. So don't wait till you fail. Learn from someone who have been there and done that. Register your seat for the training and I'll see you in the next video.